Alright, new supply plenum, 15-degree offset, 1 foot up, no flame rollout guard needed, drain safety switch, main, before trap, vent T, secondary drain safety switch, gas line, new ball valve, up to code, drip leg, flue pipe. Ooh, that was fun. Way up there. New return air plenum. New high capacity 3000 CFM media filter cabinet, April Air. Amana variable speed furnace with surge protector. Cold plasma ionization air purifier inside. Improved return air. Make sure this thing breathes like a race car. Yeah, that's some smooth stuff right there. ComfortNet technology allows access through Bluetooth pairing of the service tech's wireless device. Notes can be added into the system and never erased. Information like installation dates or customer preferences. This technology also allows access to cooling and heating modes for testing and maintenance. Error codes will also be stored in the system for future reference and troubleshooting help. Another great feature is it allows the use of only 2 wires outside, and a normal thermostat will run the 2-stage systems or a variable stage system, so your personal thermostat will work with any of the Amana brand systems.